What is up, you guys? So I am doing this part of the video in a voiceover because the beginning, while I was doing the intro, like it deleted and I don't know what happened to it, and I was gonna trash the entire vlog, but I decided not to. So I'm just gonna do a really quick voiceover here. We went grocery shopping. Get away! Get away from me! Why? Why do you have to do that? I had tickle monsters. Oh my gosh. But we went to Sam's. Oh, that hurt. We went to Sam's, to Big Lots. We did several things, but the point of this trip was basically for me to get a phone. Because mine sucks. I really needed an upgrade, and I was in between the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the 12 Pro Max, but I ended up getting the 11 anyways. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm sorry about the beginning, and the next ones will be better. We just got out of Sam's, but we just got to AT&T. So see you guys once we get out of here, see what I decide, all that. It's already 1:26 and we went to AT&T, which was the last thing that I showed you guys, and then and then after that we ended up we had to go to a different AT&T because the phone that I ended up getting was the 11. Oh, we did. We went to 3 different stores. The first one that we went to didn't have the 11 Pro Max. The second one, their computers were down, and then the third one, and this was the last one. Yeah.
What color is it?
Black. She was like, sweetheart, I only have it in black, and I was like, that's the color that I wanted.
Mine's green.
Yeah, Bert has the green one, I got the black one, so this is it.
It's great.
I did get this case for it for $5, and Bert lives the wildlife.
No case.
Without a case. I could never. Baby girl's asleep, by the way.
She's out.
She's back there.
She was like a little girl. I want to sleep here.
Yeah.
Okay, good night.
I still have to set up like my phone, so I'm not using it. And Bert has to film the, not film, what is it called?
We're gonna broadcast.
Yeah, he's gonna broadcast the football game tonight for the football team in the town that we live in. He goes and like they go live through Facebook and stuff because of the Rona. And then my cousin actually came into town, so I'm either gonna stay at the house with him, or we're gonna.
Oh, that's why.
What? Or we're going to go to my mother-in-law's restaurant and stream the game through there, so that anyone who wants to go eat there can be watching the football game also. It's 1:30 right now. We'll see you guys later for whatever else we're going to do next. My little babies. Home, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that we got. Bert's putting together the Power Smokeless Grill over there. That's the box. And then from Sam's we got the You Got a Baby Alive.
Yes, I did.
Oh my goodness. So she got the Baby Alive doll. I got a phone. Bert got that in a Keurig. Cool. Some Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookies, this big old pack of fruit snacks. We got 4 packs of hickory smoked, we got 4 packs of hickory smoked bacon, 2 packs of English muffins for breakfast. Grecia wanted Lunchables, so we got 3 of those for her. Some barras de coco for Bert when he drinks his coffee in the mornings, because that's essential. I found gold. They only had very little, and I think the only reason we found them was because we went super early in the morning. Kills COVID-19 virus. it states. So I got this pack. I got some gummy bears. It's called trash bags. And then I found this super cool thing that I saw on TikTok. This is the variety pack of Ziploc bags. So it comes with 370 bags. Gallon bags, quart size, sandwich bags, and snack bags. And that's the amount. This was 13 bucks, I think, at H-E-B. And then we got Bert's K-cups. This one is for me because I don't really like coffee, but I do like the caramel macchiatos from Starbucks. So I'm gonna put like this whole thing and then like this much coffee and I'll drink it. And then Bert likes the coconut creamer by Coffee Mate. And then we got some LOL dolls. Grecia got one for her, one for Bree. Some marshmallows, foil paper. We got these beef round ice steaks, $10. Some cage-free eggs. And then a roll, some paper towels, a thing of water, that's the grill, and Grecia Sunny D's. And then we also got ground beef. This 1.5 pounds of ground beef, but I already put them in the freezer. So now he's gonna open that up, see how that works. That's it. I'm setting up my phone over here, but it keeps on, it's updating. Guys, so it's the next morning. We didn't finish vlogging yesterday. It was a disaster. We ended up getting home. I showed you guys the groceries and stuff, and then it was so fast because I literally had to like take out the groceries, put them away, get my stuff ready for the gym. I went to the gym, I spin, and then I worked out. I did glutes and hamstrings yesterday, which was Friday, so I'm super sore, like all over. My body is just sore from spinning and everything. So it's the weekend now. I'm going to relax. I don't go to the gym Saturday or Sunday. And I wanted to show you guys something that Bert did, his genius ideas. So you guys know that we bought a Keurig yesterday and some other machine. So this was Bert's bright idea. Are you guys ready to see it? This is where we decided to home our little Keurig next to the air fryer and my blender, mixer, whatever, blender. But then he was like, I'm gonna need you to clear out this drawer so that we can fill up all my K-cups. He also has another box full of K-cups that the Keurig comes with. So then he was like, you know what, I'm gonna build something. And he did this. This little chute is what he built, and it's a genius. We still need to finish this, so don't mind that. But literally you just him and his inventions. And to refill, you just put them in on the top. So easy to refill. And he did this with just a piece of PVC, and he just drilled it to the wall, and it looks legit. Like, it looks like we paid money for this, and I don't hate it. It looks kind of cool. So yeah, that's Bert and his inventions all the time. No se le dificulta nada. So now, I want to rearrange everything. Hopefully it'll be okay. Hopefully it'll be a vlog coming soon. But we did order something for the TV, and I want it to go back on that wall, and then the sofas are gonna go back over here. So we'll see. But today, I don't know what we're doing. Right now, my cousin and Bert went to go get some donuts from the bakery. He bought me menudo from his mom's restaurant. So we're going to eat. And then I don't know what we're gonna do throughout the rest of the day. But hopefully today, I will keep you guys updated because I have not vlogged in so long that I just forgot. I'm so sorry.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no.
Okay guys, so it's the next day and I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. You guys saw that we like cooked food and stuff yesterday in this thing. It's amazing. Today we ended up going to Laredo with my mother-in-law and we just got home a while ago. But we didn't vlog today because we just went to the Pulga. We went to where? To Big Lots and H-E-B real quick. I bought another little plant. This little guy right here. And tomorrow we're going to rearrange the living room like I told you guys. So we'll vlog us doing all of that. So this video is probably going to be super long. Probably not. Oh my gosh. Probably not, because a lot of it is going to be fast forwarded, so it's not, it shouldn't be that long. But tomorrow we will vlog rearranging everything. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm trying to start preparing myself for Vlogmas, because Jasmine asked me in the live last week and I never answered it. So we were talking today and I think that might be something. If that's something that you guys want to watch, let me know. But we're gonna watch Friday Night Lights Sunday night, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.